Hey everyone, welcome back to Hello English Podcast. I'm Helen.
And I'm John. Today we'll talk about something every learner asks. How do I start learning English and not give up after 1 week?
Exactly. That's such a common problem. We start with big energy, and then life happens. Work, kids, Netflix.
Yes. But the truth is, learning English doesn't need to be hard or boring. Today, we'll show you small, real steps that actually work and help you believe in yourself again.
Our first big tip: start small, but start.
Yes, don't wait for the perfect day to start. There's no perfect day. Start today, even with just 5 minutes.
Listen to something short, repeat a few words, or write one sentence. That's enough, because every day counts.
There's a saying I love. The secret of getting ahead is getting started.
Exactly. Small steps become big progress.
Let's practice saying it together. Repeat after us. Small steps become big progress.
Perfect. Now you've already started learning today. Tip number 2, learn phrases, not words.
Right. Because real people don't speak with separate words. They speak in groups of words. Instead of memorizing water, learn the phrase, "Can I have some water, please?" Or instead of happy, try, "I feel happy today."
See? One phrase equals real English.
Let's do a short mini practice. I'll say a situation and you say the phrase,
Okay, you're at a cafe and want coffee.
"Can I have a coffee, please?"
Perfect. You're already talking like a real person. Next, let's talk about fear.
Everyone's afraid to make mistakes, right?
Of course, even I was when I learned French. I once said, I'm a potato.
That's amazing. See? Everyone makes funny mistakes. But here's the truth. Mistakes are proof that you're learning.
Let's repeat it together. Mistakes are proof that I'm learning.
Beautiful. So next time you feel shy, remember, if you make mistakes, it means your brain is growing.
Yes, every mistake is a step forward, not backward. Our next tip, one of my favorites: listen, imitate, repeat.
Exactly. Don't just study English, live it. Turn on a podcast, a song, or a short video and repeat what you hear.
Like this: how are you? How are you doing? What's up?
Each one means the same thing, but sounds a little different. The more you listen, the more natural it feels.
And when you imitate, try to copy not only the words, but also the rhythm and emotion.
Let's do a fun example. I'll say a phrase. You repeat it with Helen. Ready? That's awesome.
That's awesome.
No worries.
No worries.
See? You're already speaking more naturally.
Now here's something deeper. Change your inner voice.
Yes. Learning a language isn't only about words, it's about mindset.
If you keep saying, my English is bad, your brain will believe it. But if you say, I'm improving, your brain helps you move forward.
So here's a phrase we want you to repeat every day. I can do this. I'm learning every day.
Let's say it together. I can do this. I'm learning every day.
That's right. You don't need to be perfect. You just need to keep going.
Okay, let's do a little role play. I'll be someone who just started learning English.
And I'll be a friendly person you meet.
Hi, I'm learning English, but I'm not very good.
Hey, that's okay. You're doing great. So, where are you from?
I'm from Argentina. I started learning last week.
Wow, that's amazing. Your pronunciation is really good already.
Thank you. I practice a little every day.
See, that's all you need. A little practice every day.
And a little courage.
Exactly.
Now, one last thing. Maybe the most important one. Believe in yourself.
Yes, English isn't only about learning. It's about believing that you can.
Every single person listening right now can learn English. You just need time, kindness, and consistency.
So please, don't compare your English to anyone else's. Your path is your own.
Yes, don't aim to be perfect, aim to be proud.
Oh, I like that. Say that again.
Okay, don't aim to be perfect, aim to be proud.
That's your quote of the day.
Thank you so much for listening to Hello English Podcast. Remember, every small effort counts, and you're doing amazing.
If you liked today's episode, don't forget to subscribe and give us a thumbs up. It really helps our cozy podcast grow.
Bye, everyone, and remember, keep learning, keep smiling, and keep believing in yourself.